If you're watching this video, you're probably ready to do your first hair wash after you had your hair transplant. So in this video, we'll show you the steps and precautions to take while washing your hair at home. In the beginning of the video, you can see that we are using a cup and we're not actually using the shower pressure on the scalp. We know at home, you're not gonna have a salon sink and you'll be using the regular shower. We advise people just to bring a plastic cup in the shower and keep it in there for the week for rinsing their hair. Once you dampen your hair with a cup of water, then you can take the shampoo and lather it in your hands. We will then have you gently pat the lathered shampoo onto your scalp, making sure to get it all the way to the grafts. There will be no rubbing the first week. That could endanger the grafts. After, you can keep the shampoo on your scalp for a few minutes before rinsing it off. We do recommend rinsing your hair twice a day the first week after 48 hours. Washing it twice a day will help the scab soften up and come off easier later on, but it is not necessary to do it twice. After you rinse the shampoo off the scalp, you can take a towel and gently dab the area to dry. Again, no rubbing. You can also use a hair dryer if you want. Lastly, if your hair is kept long, it is okay to brush your hair, but we want to make sure we do it as shown in the video, where you hover the comb above your head and you gently move the hair around and you don't let the comb scrape the scalp at all. Hopefully this helps you do your first hair wash after your hair transplant, and thank you for watching.